Welcome to Algiers. Here we are at the Hotel Sidi Yahia, and we've got an exciting day ahead in the capital before heading to Jardin in the desert. We're going to bring you everything that we can about this exciting country.
I'm getting stuck into my breakfast here at the hotel on our first proper day in Algiers.
I've been on a diet for quite some time now, and now I can't wait to eat this. This is heaven, and I cannot wait to see the city today.
Yeah, so this is the buffet at the Hotel Yahia. Heavy on fruit. You've got the dates and so many other items there, olives, eggs, a range of salad items, cheese. And I need to sit down and get into it. So these are my picks, actually all Gerson approved, and I'm still maintaining a very cautious approach to eating, although yesterday there were some infractions. But today you can see it's back to the salad and the tangerine. We've been on a walking tour of Algiers, and it's time for lunch.
Bonjour, vous êtes au restaurant Walema. C'est l'Algiers Centre, spécialité traditionnelle. On fait tous les plats traditionnels algériens. Tchoucha, rechta, couscous, il y a toutes les tagines et vous êtes bienvenus. Et une salle familiale. Marhaba. Thank you.
This is our lunch stop, and now we're having soup.
And we have some extras as well.
Now this is our main course. Mine is grilled, and Raphael chicken, and Martin's with noodles.
Dessert has arrived, creme caramel and fruit for me. Cheers. Well, probably the highlight of Algiers, this marvellous garden, and we're heading towards dinner and exit straight to Janet and the desert tomorrow. So a final viewpoint before we head for coffee and then dinner. This is Algiers.
We're drinking coffee at a 5-star hotel here in Algiers.
The view is fabulous.
Yeah, it's quite a view here towards sunset. As I mentioned, we're going to have dinner shortly, and this is our goodbye to Algiers. Flying this evening late, and we'll arrive tomorrow morning in Janet.